Your next car could be the 2014 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle still has fewer than 200,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.